In front of me is TCL 50 PRO NXTPAPER, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access sound and vibration. Then scroll down again to tap on vibration and haptics and use the switcher at the top to switch them on or off. If you decided to enable them, you can use all of those switchers next to all of those features to manage haptic feedback for all of them. Then go back, scroll all the way down and tap on more sound settings to click on haptic feedback vibration duration. Then adjust intensity of your haptic feedback thanks to this slider. Hit OK to save it, cancel to discard it, or default to bring back default options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!